Do you think somehow by working with China and China's latest global governance initiative, uh, potential could be, in those areas of the global South by working closer with China?
The role of China will be absolutely key in really supporting countries to accelerate the pace of the transition and also helping them to address some of the risk associated with the climate crisis. The reality is that China has invested in clean energy technologies and manufacturing and really has the capacity really to provide developing countries with low-cost clean energy options. And we've seen some really great examples over the course of the last few years. Take Pakistan, for example, right? The role of China and really ensuring and helping Pakistan to accelerate the pace of its transition, the rapid deployment of solar technology and battery storage in Pakistan really has been phenomenal. And if this can be replicated all over the world, including and I would say especially on the continent of Africa, where, as I said, just attracted 2% of clean energy investments, and where you have these 600 million persons who lack access to electricity. 8 out of 10 of that 600 million persons in Africa who lack access to electricity are in rural, hard to reach areas. My short answer to your question is yes, the role of China will be indispensable over the course of the coming decades.